How you doing? I'm Trent Rodriguez here at JTech, and today I'm going to be teaching you 2 ways to look at DTCs in vehicles. There's one way is you can do it directly from the jaltest, and the second way is to do it by looking at the flash codes. Alright, the first way right here, you have your 9-point, your OBD2. This is very common, and then your 6-point. So you would hook that up to the computer. I'm gonna show you where to hook it up at real quick. This truck right here is a 9-point, so it can go hook it up directly to the computer. And then the website you would be using is DetroitDieselECM.com, because as you can see, this is a Detroit diesel. So let me pull up that real quick. And what that does is pulls up all the codes. There we go. Now as you can see, it has all the codes right here. Starts at 11 and continues on. It has all the troubleshooting codes from right here, and then if you click on it, it'll tell you what you need to do, how to troubleshoot it. Alright, as we come up here, that's how you would check for it directly, hooking up to the computer. All the codes would come up at once on the computer. Now for the flash code, it does the most important code at a time. So once you check for the flash code, it'll give you the most important one. And then after you troubleshooted that, fixed that code, or seen what was wrong with that, then it's going to the next code. That's why it would be somewhat easier to use a computer, because you have all the codes up at one time. So how you would check for the flash code would be, you would turn the key on to accessory. You'd wait for all the dash lights to go away. Then on this specific truck, there's different ways you would check for the flash code. Right now this one has a button that just tells you to check for it. So you would hold that. Alright, that code flashed twice. Let me do it again for you. Flash twice, pause, flash 2, 3, 4, 5. That flash code is a 25. So what you would do is you can look it up on your phone at DetroitDieselECM.com, and you would come back down here. Flash code, scroll down to 25 since you flashed it, and look at that. No codes. This truck is fairly new, there's nothing wrong with it. So I was just showing you 2 ways on how to look at the flash codes and look at the codes. I'm gonna do another video on how to actually troubleshoot the codes on a later date, but I was just showing you the 2 simple ways. Thank you here at JTech.